Jack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another World Cup makeup tutorial, and today I am doing France. This is another country that has red, white, and blue as the country's flag colors. So just like Russia, we're going to be using the same colors, but we're going to be placing them in a different way to represent France. And again, I know that there are other countries that use red, white, and blue, so feel free to customize this look any way you want to make it work for your country. And if you're in the United States, I know they're not playing in the World Cup, but 4th of July is coming up, so this is definitely an appropriate look to wear for 4th of July as well if you're interested. But if you want to find out how to get these two looks, the glamorous French look and then the French flag look, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. Also, let me know in the comments which country should I do a look on next. Okay, now without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first, let's start with the glamorous look. So I wanted to keep the eyes pretty simple with just the pop of red, white, and blue for the liner. So I'm going to take this simple eyeshadow trio from Collab. I'm going to start with the brown and blend it into the crease for some slight definition. And then the shimmery shade, I'm just going to take it on my finger to place it on my lid to brighten up the eyes a little bit more. And then I'm just going to go in with my blending brush to make sure everything is nice and blended. And then lastly, with the lightest shade in this little eyeshadow trio, I'm going to place it on the inner corner and brow bone. Now moving on to the liner, you want to take a white cream shadow. I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to take that and load it up on a angled brush, and I'm going to use this and create the liner and wing shape. And we're using just this white one right now. Trust me, this is the easiest way to go about doing it. So this is the base for our eyeliner colors, because if you use white, any color you place on top, it's going to make it stand out a lot more. So I'm going to take a white eyeshadow afterwards and set that just in the center because the middle part is going to be white, and then I'm going to take a red eyeshadow and then I'm going to place that right on top of the white liner on the inner corner of my eye. So it's going to start red, white, and then the wing part will be blue. So now I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow and go over the outer part of the wing liner. Now to bring a little definition to the eyes, I'm going to take a black kohl liner and I'm going to line my waterline and my upper lash line. And then finish off the eyes with a little bit of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Feel free to add falsies if you want. I feel like this look would look really pretty with some long wispy lashes, but I decided to skip out on the lashes for today's look and just embrace my natural lashes. And for the lips, I decided to go with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in Mary Jo K, which is a bright red. And I decided to go with red because I feel like traditional French makeup, they always have a gorgeous red lip on. So that's what I decided to do for this look. And I love how it turned out because I feel like it's very simple yet bold at the same time, because the eyes really aren't too crazy, but we have like the flag colors, you know, on the liner and then the bold red lip. And then I'm just using a little bit of concealer to clean up the edges, but that is it for this glam look. Now we can move on to look number 2. You want to start with a white face paint or the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, which is what I'm using here, and I'm going to draw 2 lines down my face like so, and I'm just drawing them through the center of my eye. I'm using that kind of like as my guideline, and then you just want to fill in the entire center part, and I'm just going to draw it on and then use a brush to blend everything out so we have a nice smooth and even layer. And now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow to set that into place and lock in that cream product that we just applied. Now I'm going to take a blue face paint to make the neck stripe color, and when you look at the flag, the blue stripe is on the right side, but just because of filming purposes, I'm going to paint it on my left side so that way it looks like the right side for you guys watching. You know what I mean? So when you are painting this, paint it on your right side. So I'm just going to fill that in on the left side of my face, and then once I have the blue face paint on, I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow to set it and lock it into place just like we did with the white. And now with a red face paint, I'm going to paint that on the other side of my face. And just like before, once we have the cream product placed on our face, then I'm going to go in with a red eyeshadow to set it all and lock it into place. And that's it for the France flag makeup look. Super easy to recreate, and I hope you guys liked it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which look you liked best in the comments below, the glamorous one or the flag look. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next World Cup makeup tutorial. Bye!